Okay, I'm always talking about different container modifications that we've got going on in the workshop, but I had to show you this one. This is going to be absolutely awesome. Hopefully we have some finished photos once this container has been installed, but hidden under these blankets behind me is what's going into this container, and it's not the norm, okay? Check this out. This is an amazing pizza oven going inside a shipping container. We're trying to keep it from getting damaged, but this will be installed into this container. As you can see, we have some ventilation cut so that the pizza oven can operate inside the container. And I'm just going to skip around this side. You'll see that this container opens fully along the long edge. Can you imagine how amazing this is going to look? Pizza oven at one end, cooking preparation area at the other end, maybe some serving areas at the top. Amazing. I look forward to showing you the final outcome of this container because it is going to look unbelievable.